Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to integrate this phone number input field where you will have all the country codes of all the countries in this drop down. You can select whichever country that you want. If you are allowing the user to input their phone number, then they can select whichever country that they want inside this select field, and automatically this country code will be applied. So India has plus 91, so already this country code will be applied and they will be able to enter their phone number. So in this way you can see that. So this is actually a material kind of a input field. You can see the design of it, looks like material design, and you can see all these country codes. You can even have region specific country codes as well. You can even display only a specific kind of countries as well. So the package name, if you go to it, just search on npmjs.com and just search for this package, which is material UI phone number. This is actually the package, and almost it's got 18,000 weekly downloads, and this is actually the command. So simply install this package. I've already installed it, so I will just show you a very basic example. So just make a simple functional component, and you just require this package using the import statement. So import from this package, you can see that. So 324 kilobytes is the size of this package. So we have this MUI phone number component, and after importing it you come to the JSX part, and just before that I will just declare a simple state variable for keeping track of whichever phone number the user will write. So you can have a use state variable. Initial value will be nothing. So right here in the JSX I will just align it in the center position. So I will just give it some custom styles to it. I will change the display property to flex. Justify content, I will just make it as center, and I will align the items in the center position, and I will just give it a fixed height of 100 vertical height and text aligned to center. So it will just make sure that it aligns it in the center of the screen horizontally and vertically. Now you use this component mi phone number material phone number input, and it actually takes some options, which is the default country that you want to show inside your input field. So I will just say US, United States, and there is also an option to auto format. So you can make it true. So now the formatting will automatically format as you write the phone number, as the user will write the phone number. If you refresh your application now, you will see this input field, and by default US will be selected, and then you can click this and you can select whichever country that you want to choose from here. So automatically you will see, as I selected the country code has been automatically been added, and now I can enter the 10-digit phone number, whatever that I want to write. So in this easy way you can do this. And now after user writes this phone number, you can get this value by attaching this on change event handler. So when the input is changed, this function will automatically fire. So you can bind this handle change function, you can call this anything. So inside this function you will get the phone number that the user will write. You can easily get this. You can alert phone number. So now what happens as you write the phone number now, if you select the country code, so as soon as it changes, it actually fires. You will see country code is 91 selected, and then as soon as the user writes it, so this handle change will execute. So I will just console log it. So after you enter your number, you will get, so every time it will fire as soon as the value changes, and you will get your phone number. So you can easily process it whatever you want to do for your application. So it's a great module. It's material design, of course, powered by Google. So it looks like material design, and And there are certain options as well. If you want to exclude or include only countries, there is an option right here. So let's suppose you only want to show countries. So there is an option here of uh, only countries. So here you can specify an array of countries that you only want to show, which is US, India, and Australia, New Zealand. So we have to show only these 4 countries. So we mention the country codes right here inside this array. So now what happens if you see in the, we only see these countries appearing at the top. So these 4 countries. So in this way, you can include a specific set of countries, and then there is also an option to exclude countries as well. If you don't want to show some certain countries, you can exclude it. Here you can provide the default country. So all these options are available. You can even style these as well, uh, which input class, drop down class. You can check out the documentation inside their npm.js. So localization as well, if you only want to, let's suppose, only show certain regions, so you can pass this regions property. So now they will only show countries which belongs to this specific regions, which is in North America and Caribbean. So if you refresh now, and if you see, only the countries related to that specific regions will show. So in this way, so you can customize the look and feel of this phone picker, and with automatic formatting country code. So it's specifically made for React.js. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, then please hit that like button, and also check out my website as well, freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video, and image. And I will be seeing you in the next video.